Alright, let's go back to the unbox.
As you see, this color is red.
Like your shirt.
Oh, yeah. Woo!
Oh!
Fire bars right here. Blue, like my life. No pressing that shit. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh. Damn, that's something else. You see that?
Ooh, you got the 2-year warranty too, bro.
Ooh. They said if any water or anything goes in it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like... This is the hold the fucking joysticks.
That's cool.
How does this work?
You just...
That's the thing, guys. Like, they have videos for this.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Alright,
Let's stop the video real quick.
We'll edit this out, you know what I'm saying?
We'll edit this out. Alright, so this is definitely the...
That's the HDMI cable.
Power, obviously. Manual.
That's probably the dock. The thing though, all the way to the right.
Nah, bro, it's just bubble wrap. Actually, if they just had a bubble wrap.
Oh my god.
I feel like I'm a kid, bro.
Oh, that's clean, bro.
You see that? Switch.
Switch, bro.
Do I know my English? Please, yes. Come on now. That's easy, yes. Alright, so what's... Now I actually have to learn what to do. Alright, cut the video.
You know Chinese, right?
Yeah, bro, I know Creole, yeah.
Oh, I think we got it. Alright.
Alright.
Alright, we'll cut this out.
So, what the fuck is actually all this shit? Oh, these are the joysticks. The straps.
Strap-ons?
Alright, so how the fuck do you actually put this shit in?
Alright, bro. I think you had it there. Yeah, it just pops in. That was good.
See the click?
Like, oh! That's clean, bro. I will cut that up.
Is this how you do it? Is this how you play it? How do you...
You should have
I've been scammed, bro. You can't fit it in here.
You should have it in the other mode, too.
The what mode?
You put the Joy-Cons on the side of it.
I have to charge it, too. So, yeah. How the fuck do you release this?
I mean, you could probably... it probably has some juice in it. Try it. Try to turn it on. Let's get it for the video.
Alright, now, we need to find where the button
we should probably install that SD card also. Oh, that was clean.
Nintendo?
I think it just died.
Yeah.
Oh, it didn't die. Yeah, it probably comes in like half battery.
Or 10%. Oh, the other joystick.
Oh, yeah, you gotta put it on. Ooh, that was clean. There we go.
Oh, even clicked in.
Bro, the lighting is so bad in here.
Oh, my bad.
Hey, what the fuck is this, bro? Oh, we gotta cut this, bro. Oh. We also got we got Spider-Man 4K. We got motherfucking Legend of Zelda. We got all the SD cards, bro. We got a receipt. And we got 2K. We should probably install this, bro. Alright, ready? I want to. It's installed now, bro.